Here are the most important AWS core services that you need to know about. Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, is a compute service that provides virtual machines, VMs, that you can use to run your applications. VMs are available in a variety of sizes and configurations, so you can choose the right one for your needs. EC2 is a great choice for a wide variety of workloads, including web servers, databases, and machine learning applications. For example, you could use EC2 to host a website, run a database server, or train a machine learning model. EC2 is a versatile service that can be used for many different purposes. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, is a scalable object storage service that offers high availability, durability, and security. You can use S3 to store any type of data, including images, videos, documents, and backups. S3 is a great choice for storing static content, like images and videos, as well as for storing data that needs to be highly available and durable. For example, you could use S3 to store the images and videos for your website, or to store the backups of your database. S3 is a reliable and affordable way to store your data. Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service, is a managed database service that provides a variety of relational database engines, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a database without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. RDS is a great choice for applications that need a relational database. For example, you could use RDS to host a MySQL database for your web application. RDS is a reliable and cost-effective way to manage your database. Amazon Lambda is a serverless computing service that allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. Lambda is a great choice for event-driven workloads, like processing web requests or generating analytics reports. For example, you could use Lambda to process the results of a search query, or to generate a report on the usage of your website. Lambda is a flexible and scalable way to run code. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network, CDN, that helps you deliver your content to users around the world with high performance and low latency. CloudFront can be used to deliver static content, like images and videos, as well as dynamic content, like web pages. For example, you could use CloudFront to deliver the images and videos for your website to users in different parts of the world. CloudFront is a fast and reliable way to deliver your content to users. VPC allows you to create a private network in the AWS cloud. This is useful for isolating your applications from other applications in the cloud, as well as for complying with security regulations. Route 53 is a domain name system, DNS, service that helps you route traffic to your applications. Route 53 can be used to create custom domains, as well as to manage traffic to your applications across multiple AWS regions. CloudWatch is a monitoring service that provides visibility into your AWS resources. CloudWatch can be used to collect metrics, logs, and events from your applications and infrastructure. This data can be used to troubleshoot problems, optimize performance, and ensure compliance. CloudTrail is a logging service that records AWS API calls made to your account. CloudTrail can be used to audit your AWS usage, troubleshoot problems, and comply with regulations.